Hey guys, in this lab we are doing web shell uploads via traversal. So it says here that the lab contains a vulnerable image upload, which is the basis of 5 uploads, but it is restricted and can be bypassed by using a second vulnerability type. So in this, we're going to be chaining one vulnerability type and connect it with patch traversal. And to solve it, you need to use the basic PHP web shell and extracts this file location, this path location, and submit the secrets and then you can log in using your provided credentials to the Slack. Make sure you have your proxy on. You use Kite or Bird, which one you like to use. And log in and go this history. Log in with your provided credentials. Okay, so to test this, if there's any restriction, use a basic, you create a simple, most sites allow JPEG, PNG, it just depends on what the site uses. So just use PNG just as an example. See, as an example, allow it to upload and use a request, so you have to use. Usually in these past labs, it's been post avatar and get the your file icon once it's uploaded. So you use get file icon.test PNG. So next thing we're gonna try is uploading just a basic PHP file. Let's see if that allows it. So it sees that it allowed it. Go back. It's empty, like a broken image. So come into a repeater here. Send this request first, and we'll send our post to make sure it. Okay. So we're just gonna send these two again, make sure they. So it looks like in here, it's just printing the location of the file. And it said in this lab we need to exploit using path traversal as well. So in this example, we can try. So it looks like it says here that the path here is being uploaded. So sometimes with path traversal, you can put the you can backtrack in file name. Sometimes you upload something. So you can just do simple um, one directory backtick, and this is how how it works in your terminal. That means either on Windows or on Linux. The only difference would be, so if we go to change to downloads folder, if you put change to CD, you do // it'll go back one directory, whichever it's sending from that location. It'll go back one. It'll go back to your to go back to the directory it was before. In this case, it goes to basically your home. So if you do pwd, it goes back to your home directory. That's it. If you do enough backticks, I mean //slashes. So if you send this request, it says the file avatar/png has been uploaded. So we can assume that it's stripping the // so we can probably encode these locations here. So if we do encode. We encoded it. So the 2f percent 2f is simple encoded value of dot dot slash or the slash value. You send that. You can see that in the response here. It says file avatars dot slash PHP was successfully uploaded to my account title return previous page. Okay, so if you come back in this response here, and then we add, I don't, I don't think we need encoded values. Yeah, we won't need encoded values because then the response is just to say it's here at this location. And then what we can do, we can traverse this path back. We can traverse this path as long as we put the file name here and it's stripping it so it's saying, so when you put the dots and slashes on the server or the website, is recognizing that this is the actual path without the dot slashes. Even though we add them in her request, it's setting that, stripping these two dot dots, even if they're encoded or not. So we send that, we should get the secret. So we got the secret. So now that the slab is done, we can send this value and meet the lab. So that was the step into using chaining, quote unquote, chaining vulnerabilities together. So that'll be in this lab. In the next one, we are going to be going down further, deeper into file uploads, and this time we're going to be doing, the next one we'll be doing bypassing that via file restrictions, and which will be a step up past just using just the regular PHP extensions. So see you guys in the next one.